Hello students, today we will start chapter number 3, some more features of Word 2013. In this chapter we will discuss some topics today like spelling and grammar, thesaurus or changing case. Okay. What is the meaning of spelling and grammar? Students, you might have noticed that while typing text in Word 2013, 7, etc., sometimes you get red or blue wavy lines under some words. So, a red wavy lines indicates a misspelled word, means galat word. Okay? Any word that is not present in the word dictionary, it shows red line. Or blue wavy lines indicates a grammatical mistakes like is, am, are. Okay, so okay children, now we will see one example of spelling and grammar. First open MS Word and write this paragraph. Okay, I have written one paragraph. So in this paragraph, capacity, memory, enables, some spellings are wrong, so it shows red line under the words like capacity, memory, enables, computer, store, instructions or commands. Given. Now children, how to correct the spelling or grammatical mistakes? First, click on review tab and select spelling and grammar. So select first wrong word capacity, select the capacity word and select again correct spelling of capacity. Same again you have to select memory and again select correct word, same like this. Instructions, select correct spelling, commands, select correct spelling, given, select correct. So one dialog box will appear on the screen, spelling and grammar check is correct. See the process of how to run the spelling and grammar. First click the review tab, select spelling and grammar. Now select the correct word, that is called spelling and grammar tool. Now we will discuss second topic, thesaurus. Thesaurus means synonym of the word. Okay, we will see one example of regarding synonyms. Okay, I have to written one topic. Select storage, click on review tab and select thesaurus. See, thesaurus storage. Okay, select storage. So all words related to storage shown in right hand side dialog box. Okay, now capacity. What is the meaning of capacity? See. Okay, same computer. Select computer. So related computers, all words have to shown in this dialog box. Okay, now this is a computer. Computer, same meanings like machine. Okay, memory. Select memory and see. Instructions. Instructions means same meaning of instruction, commands. This is the option of thesaurus. Now, what is the process? Click on review tab, select thesaurus, select the word. Students, now next topic is changing case. What is the meaning of changing case? If you want to change the capital letters in small letters and you want to change special writing, that is called changing case. Okay, 4 types of changing case in MS Word: sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word and toggle case. See, first is sentence case. In sentence case, first letter in capital, lower case all letters in small, upper case all letters in capital. Capitalize each word, one letter is capital. Toggle case means first letter in small and other letters are capital. Okay, that is called changing case. Okay, there are 4 types of changing case. I want to show one example of you. Okay children, first is, this is toggle case. Okay, first click on home tab and select double A. Okay, now first select uppercase, lowercase c. This is the uppercase. This is a capitalized each word. This is a toggle case. Okay children, that is called changing case. You have to do practice at home. Students, now next topic is changing case. What is the meaning of changing case? If you want to change the capital